Making the impossible possible with CMT, cold metal transfer. Doing the impossible more precisely with CMT Advanced. In CMT, the wire motions are fully integrated within the process. In addition, CMT Advanced also reverses the polarity in the short-circuiting phase. The arc remains stable, and the deposition rate is up to 60% higher. Combined with positively charged pulsing cycles, the process makes it possible to join super high-strength steels with complete process reliability. That's CMT Pulse Advanced. Another advantage, excellent gap bridgeability on light and ultralight gauge joints. Lower thermal input means less dilution of the base metal. This is a great advantage in weld cladding, with huge potential savings for users. With CMT, Fronius is doing pioneering work. Spatter-free welding, reliable steel to aluminium joints, crash test safe, making the impossible possible, and shifting the limits. Like with CMT Pin and CMT Print. The melt-through point of the welding wire is at a defined level. The result? Exactly definable welding wire lengths with various possible endpoints. All proof of ultra-high process stability for as yet undreamed of applications.